Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and let's talk about creating a roof by extrusion. So to do this, we will start this and go to our 2D view. We're going to draw a line to extrude from, and then we're going to modify the roof a little bit, and we may have to modify and connect the walls. So I am going to go to a sample. So I've got this building. I'm going to call this the front of my building, and I want this roof to be more interesting right here. So what we can do is go to, I want to go to this view. So I think this is the east view. So here I see that roof. No, that's not the one I want. Let's go to south. This is the one I want. So I see my front door here, and I want to do a roof by extrusion in this area here. So, and this is just going to make it look a little more interesting. So we're going to go to architecture, roof, and then we're going to choose by extrusion. And it says pick a plane, so I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to pick this wall is what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to go pick that wall, and I'm going to connect it to the upper roof with no offset. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we have to draw a line that kind of crosses close to, but doesn't go below. Well, it could go below, but remember, we have some structure here at this line, so we don't want to go below this grid line. And you wouldn't want to go way up here because this is just kind of a model, for instance. So I'm just going to choose a spline, and I'm going to go, I don't know, let's go about right here, and I might go up here, and then I'm going to go. That is not what I wanted. I picked an arc. Control Z. I want the spline tool. This one, I'm just going to kind of do a little spline across here. So I'm going to start about there and go up here, go across here, and kind of have a sweep up right here. And that's really, I want it to be a little more curvy in the middle. So if I go here, I should be able to grab this and pull it down a little bit here. So I kind of want a profile like this, okay? And I might pull it up a little bit here. So I'm going to exaggerate that little shape. Okay, I like this a lot. So this is going to be my roof. Keep in mind, this is going to be the top of the roof, okay? So now I have that. I'm going to use just basic roof, EDPM. That's going to work for what we need. So I'm going to hit check, and then it's going to make the roof. If we go to the 3D view, we'll see it's hanging over it. So we know that from our previous drawing, it goes across. And then if we go and if we go look at this, I'm going to use this. I'm going to go look at this end of the building. You can see it's exactly over. I'm going to pull these out. I'm not going to be real picky about measurements. I just want it to overhang a little bit here. All right, so now if we kind of orbit a little bit, we can see our roof line there, okay? Next thing I need to do is think about how these walls are going to connect to the roof. So one of the things I want to show you is this. So we'll start with this one. I'm going to take this one and do attach top to base and then pick this roof. And what it does is you can see that it leaves the parapet in there. If you like that look, that's fine. If not, then delete the parapet or, duplicate the type and delete the parapet. I'm okay with that. I think it kind of looks neat. And it also gives me a visual reminder of where the levels are. So if you don't like that, you can clean that up by editing the type. So always duplicate the type before you edit, even if it's one you made, because you may have it done somewhere else. So I'm going to do this one as well. And see how that looks. So yeah, I think I like that line. So that kind of gives us some separation there. And then I need this wall. So we're just going to go around, attach all the walls to the roof. And that looks good. We have one more. So we'll do this one, grab it, and attach top to base. So the big thing is you've got to make sure it overhangs a little bit. This might be a little bit much. That might be a little bit much. Let's go take a look at that on the south view. And if I double click this, I can get in here and move these lines a little bit. What if I move this a little closer? And what if I move this a little closer? All right, let's see if I freak it out. I don't know if I can do that after I've attached the walls. Oh, yes, I can. Okay, so now let's go look at our extruded roof. So now we have a very interesting roof on this part of the building. So that's a real quick run through of roof by extrusion. Again, if you don't like how this soldier course and this parapet looks on there, you can edit or duplicate this wall type, make it another exterior wall 3, and go to that preview and delete the sweeps that you don't like. But for me, I'm okay with that. It kind of gives some consistency around the building. All right, that's enough for this video. Thank you for watching.